Hello,
good day. My name is Leonardo Tolentino, butcher here in Davao City, Philippines. Today I will show you the 5 standard cut of a whole wrist chicken. But before I proceed to cuttings, let me show you first on how I sharpen my knife using my honing steel in a 45 degrees angle. Now let's proceed to cutting. These are the 5 standard cut of a whole wrist chicken. The backbone, the drumstick, the wings, the thigh part, and the breast. That's all. Thank you.